What's up guys, it's the FixBroz and check this out. The white fit is all finished up, we got all the miscellaneous pieces on it, and today is the day we have all been waiting for. We're gonna start working on the truck, but before we take it into the shop, we gotta clean it up, so let's head there. So check this out guys, there's a bunch of sawdust, because my dad was sawing wood, and let's just use editing magic to clean this up. Alright guys, here it is. We got the whole shop cleaned up, now we can get the truck rolled inside of here. Guys, now that we got it into the shop, this is our plan. We want to first straighten out this bed, make sure it's straight, and then after we straighten out this bed, we want to do the frame because the frame did bend a little bit down there. And the most exciting part is that we got all the parts for it. Here's the tailgate. We're not going to be painting this one because this one's the same color. The guy who sold it to us gave us a really good deal. Here is the new hitch that we're going to use for this one because as you can see, this one's bent right here. Here is the rear bumper. We got it for a really good deal. Here's a front bumper with a cutout for a light bar for $20. As you can see, it isn't in the best shape either. So we might just have to grab ourselves another front bumper in better condition and with no cutout. So our plan for today is to start getting this bed straightened out. That's the first thing we want to do. And as you can see, it got pushed in like this. We're gonna need to pull it outwards. We're now ready to start pushing this area out. As we push it out with this hydraulic jack or whatever it's called, it's a hydraulic tool. It's supposed to remove these kinks and it's supposed to remove these kinks. So the way it's gonna work, we're gonna put this attachment on here and it's gonna be pushing off of this frame part right here and pushing outwards over there. So it's gonna be pushing out the damage right there. And we're also gonna add an extension. We're gonna add this extension onto the end. Let's start doing this. This corner pushed out a little bit. Now we're gonna move it upwards to this part right here and push it out. And it's supposed to push out this kink. Guys, look at this. Just from a little bit of pushing, check it out. This part is basically to its original form. It's actually a crease all the way down this line. Alright guys, we got some progress done right here, and we figured out that we need to push this part right here out and this part in. So we're gonna put the hydraulic into there and then push it out and then knock this part in. Okay, so as you just saw, we pushed it out, and as you can see, it made it basically straight. And we're gonna have to do that to the rest of this edge right here. Push it out. We hit this part with the hammer, and it pushes the metal in to its original shape. Guys, check this out. It's coming along pretty good, going into its original form, but there's going to be a lot of correcting right here. guys, so we stuck that thing into there, and check it out. We pushed this area out. It was very bent in, and as you can see, these are spot welds, so it's welded to another piece of metal back there.
Here's what we got done right now. We got most of this straightened out, mostly looks good. This still needs to get straightened out. Maybe with the stud welder, we'll figure out how we'll do this. And then after that, probably this whole thing will be complete.
Alright guys, we got the tailgate on, and check it out. That's a bad gap right there, and this is too big. Here's what the other side looks like. So it needs to move that way. Alright guys, with that pushed out, we're gonna see if the tailgate fits on well and if that gap got fixed. Check it out guys, this gap is way better. And on this side, well, this gap is actually a little bit smaller. We actually moved the tailgate a little bit that way. So check this out. This gap is good right here. Down here, this part right here, it's a little bit like at an angle, so we might push it out a little bit more. And right here, it's perfect. So we'll put the hydraulic jack, or whatever you want to call it, inside of there and push this part out, and hopefully it comes out with this part so that it would be straight.
Okay, so we were pushing it out from the inside over there, and it was only making the gap worse. So we're gonna go back to the chain way that we did it just a second ago, and we're gonna push it out this way to see if the gap can become better.
Guys, check this out. We got this whole quarter panel knocked out. All it needs is a little bit of stud welding, which we're probably going to do in the next episode. This video was a little bit short, but we just have to go somewhere. Stay tuned in for the next episode where we're going to probably throw a body filler on this. So go follow us on Patreon. We'll be posting there before we post on YouTube, behind the scenes, what we're doing here. All the Patreon followers will get informed on what we're doing before YouTube. Go follow us on Instagram because we also do post stuff there. And go grab yourself some merch. Check out this design. It has FixBroz on the back. Pretty nice and comfortable. I've been wearing this for like the last 2 weeks and I only got this one stain. Give us your thoughts in the comments below on what we should do on this truck. And also, we want to throw some steps on here. And please be sure to share this project because this is going to be a very exciting one. So with that being said, this video will be a wrap. Be sure to drop a like in this video. If you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time.
Chill seat.